I really didn't plan to make this video, but after seeing all the hype and confusion around AI agents, almost as if they are some magical creatures, I felt compelled to finally break it down for you. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what AI agents actually are and how they work. My name is Jakub and I'm the founder of Brainly AI, where I run my own AI development company. Every day I build and deploy these AI agents for real commercial use cases. So I'm sharing practical insights from experience, not just theory. First of all, why should you actually care? If you take a look here, this is the chart from Google Trends. As you can see, in 2024, the term AI agents started blowing up and it's growing. The market of AI agents is predicted at 47.1 billion by 2030. The products are also moving towards this agentic side, like Manus AI, who recently took over the internet, Operator from OpenAI. These are all products that are AI agents operating simultaneously. So if money is flowing in there and all companies are investing into these agents, maybe it's worth knowing what these agents actually are. Okay, so it's best if I explain to you what these AI agents actually are on very simple example, and we'll compare the human and the AI. How will it operate in order to achieve some goal? So let's say our goal is to book a call. So on the left, we will have this human assistant, and on the right, we'll have the AI agent. And they both aim at achieving the same goal, which is booking a call. So let's first go and analyze the simplified scenario of a human assistant trying to book a call. So let's say you have a receptionist, customer support, or something like that. Basically, the process looks like this. So first of all, the assistant has to answer the call. Then she needs to understand customer needs, desired date and time, etc. So she's checking the calendar here. Then we're going to the decision point to check, is this time available or is the slot already booked for another meeting. If it is available, the decision proceeds to booking a meeting, so she's booking a call and she'll notify the customer kindly that the slot has been booked, right? If it's not available, then we're just gonna ask the customer to pick different date. This is super simplified process of how human would execute this process. So let's assume now we are hiring an AI agent who will try to do the same job as the human employee. Okay, so something you can notice here, the process is exactly the same. Why I think this example is important to explain these AI agents without the hype? It's basically taking the same task and breaking it down for the AI very similar way. So let's move into the definition. So just to be clear, this is my definition of AI agent and it may differ from source to source, and I think the definition is super simple for you to understand. So an AI agent is an LLM, think ChatGPT, with a set of tools, calendar, that performs a set of actions aiming at achieving one specific goal, booking a call. So if we go back here to this example for a moment, so instead of having a human here, we have AI. Inside this robot's head, we've actually got the LLM thing, ChatGPT. It's basically a large language model like 4.0, or any other large language model, not necessarily from OpenAI, but just think ChatGPT for the simplicity of this video. The agent is equipped with tools for checking the calendar and booking the call, and he has some goal that we define. So we define to this agent, hey, please book a call. You are a receptionist. You will help booking the calls here. And that is basically super simple definition of AI agent, demystifying the concept and just explaining to you without the hype. Okay, so at this point, you should already be aware why you should care, what these AI agents are and how they compare to human. And now I want to talk a bit why is the hype so big then. So let's compare it to the human to see why all the hype about AI agents. So you've got customer support and they are working normal hours from 9 to 5, right? AI agent will work 24/7, and don't complain about it. It won't sue you for some employee defamation or some other stuff. It makes almost no mistakes. If you set it up properly, it will be a computer program. Obviously, not as deterministic as normal computer program, but if you do it well, it should do almost no mistakes if you set it up properly. It's super extremely cheap, like super cheap, way cheaper than normal employee would, and can talk to whatever number of customers at the same time. So if you don't want to be left behind, I prepared this video for you to follow step by step using no code approach, no technical knowledge required. So go ahead and watch it now so you don't get left behind in this AI rush.